Hey class, so I promised I'd post a short video on here since we weren't able to meet in class on Tuesday night, and I unfortunately wasn't able to get it done yesterday because the college was closed as well. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of a quick update. That way you are aware of what's going on in the class, and maybe can start looking at some of the material. Since this is only an 8-week class, I want to make sure we're able to catch up from what we missed, and that everyone is understanding of what they're doing with this class. So for the ServSafe class, our goal is to really learn about food safety, but also prepare you to take the ServSafe exam. So the last class period, we will take the exam in class. And this is something that it's not easy. It definitely takes studying to be able to pass the exam. So a couple of things I've got for you guys right now. So all of the PowerPoints are up as well. We will go through these in class, but if you want to get ahead, if you want to start looking over chapter 1 and 2, that way you kind of have an idea of what might be on it when we go over it in class next week. That's really a great way to study for this class. That way you kind of know what questions you may ask when you get to class because you've already looked at the material a little bit. So please go ahead and look over those. You will also be doing some things on MyLab. And so I will show you MyLab. So you'll get to MyLab through here. So you'll click Open MyLab and Mastering. It will have you kind of go through some pages. It will ask you for your access code. And if you bought your book at the bookstore, the access code is there. And you are able to go ahead and just put that in. If you are waiting to figure out how you're going to get the book, etc., then there is a 2-week free trial you can go ahead and do. So I can send this option to you as well. That is an ebook version with the voucher that's needed for the exam and the access code as well. So I can send this link out to you guys if that's something you want instead of the physical book. So you are going to have these assignments, 30 modules, and tests. For the in-person class, I don't make you do the learning modules. They're there, they're assigned and due, so if you want to go through them, great. I will not require that, but I will require you to do the test for each chapter, and so you can see those are on there, and that's helpful. The learning modules may be helpful for you as well to kind of go through and test some other questions out. But the tests will be, those little chapter tests will be required for each chapter. They're not super long, just a good way to see how you're understanding the material. And you can take them as many times as you want. So hopefully that's helpful. That helps you learn the material when you're going through them. So that's the basics I really want you to understand for the class. Again, short and sweet. I'm happy to answer any questions in class next Tuesday, or if you want to stop by anytime before then. The syllabus is up here if you want to look at that as well. Hopefully this is helpful so you have a little idea what you're getting into since you missed last week. And next Tuesday we'll get everyone caught up and start going into the material. Have a great day.